This is not a test, this is your emergency broadcast system. Announcing the commencement of the annual Halloween light show, sanctioned by BFE Lights. Flashing lights and loud music have been authorized for use during the show. Old school holiday lights are restricted. Commencing at the siren, any and all entertainment, including amazement, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the show concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. Happy Halloween, y'all.